Okay, so for the most expensive one next say. So Bafetu, I invited different TikTokers and so I'm influencers, the House of Influence members. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification button so you can be notified when the next time I drop another banger, baby. Like say, enjoy today's content. Thank you. Hey yo guys, it's your boy Ndilum Kabele, the most expensive one XA. Watch till the end. Enjoy today's content. Hope you enjoy. Guys, thank you. You're feeling yourself, huh? You're feeling yourself, huh? W motion. Mamixigela phana kwa ngifuna ngidlale lona ngizonke phathelile kisethi yakho ntwana yes. Sesohamba bafethu bayasilungisa.
Yabanga Then where are you? Good morning, where are you? Whenever so come, so that was just seriously. Sao tự nhiên kìa, Khởi Vân.
Alvin.
Why by the Andre? Set distance. Hi guys. How are you doing?
Alright.
You know.
Aibo.
Okay, guys, kita Samsung and password.
Ni pasal kasi pick 3 ni as. Ni pick 3 yan. Yes.
I got you guys.
Sharp ho. Alright.
Okay, so operate again.
Oh, kecil. Berapa ni?
It's been a long time, my bro. I'm good. I've been first wait.
It's been a year.
Yeah. First like before like
Yeah.
Hey man, like right now. No, yazini ngicakha yazini so nje kunabazana abanye ngifuna ukuthi usambe njengesibinga kathini. Like they coming right now. Wena mosana. Bakusala no mayifishi kathi.
okay.
Oh, okay. Umnyekelo babahamba. Guys, come.
Yeah, come here, Alvin, come here.
So what's with the grip bag?
Hey, wait.
Boy,
Sentuen.
look now.
Ewa.
Listen. Okay. Before we go, okay. So come here. So Buffett, ngiphathele the one and the only. I'm a superstar. Big green no sipodlala. Buffett, she was the host.
I'm the one
She
who
was the host
responsible.
because I was
Yeah.
busy.
Thank you.
Because I was busy.
He was busy. I'm the. Ooh.
Damn.
Now.
This is fresh, ne?
Ah, thank you.
Listen. Oh yes, ngicela bafethu ukubonga.
Manchaphe.
Bafethu, ngicela bafethu ukubonga kulabantu la abasuka kude. Nalaba abakwazile la ukufika abashiya la bafethu ama-plans abo beze la ekhaya. So bafethu umuntu ufike la ngale plan lena it's no simple because befuna ukuthi kanjena sihlangane sonke Christ i-content fun because bafethu I feel like abanye bethu siyadinga ukuthi okay speech ngisidinga sitanilanga bafethu kuna no simple manje mina bekumela khuluma mawusefonini ngibona ukhuluma bafethu. Okay. Hey, you are So bafethu ithi iplani siya ebishi. Iplani ithi like siya ebishi bafethu.
Hayibo guys bandla. How? But I don't dare be more.
So bafethu iplani ithi kanjena like siya ebishi. Then we gonna operate here with this center. So if you sufuna ukushootha lana bafethu akashuthe sekhala ama video. Masisela phana bafethu sisi.
Woo!
Enjoy.
Woo!
Oh, this is the place.
No, guys.
Engage. Yo.
Makhasi utekani, makhasi. No, bathi makhasi.
We andile like zizophuma inzipho zakho ngikutshela. Angifuni ke abantu like mase bejulukile la. Awubatshele ntwana uthi wena like ipolo nowudlala ngekhathi zakho ezokhethi. Usawumfana.
Manje sengumamazi.
Ehe.
Sengumamazi manje. Losamdlalisana ushaya. Ngeke futhi ungenze lutho.
Cabanga uzubala kuza no baby.
Shaka.
Uma wakhe. Kuza no
Baby.
Kuza no baby.
Makasali. Uzala.
awujikela usi
Ha?
Khona nethi kanje. Wamakhasilali. Umakhasilali.
hawulali la umakhasi kanti
Uba no Marcus. Yeah boy. Ntana angifuni boy.
awucese iphumele ngaphandle
Angifuni. Yabona imshito abafethu angaza kangazo kutshezwini. Lalela uzalani? Uzoyikusaba phela boy. Ukuthi umdala kunami na.
ngizokushaya ngikhiphe ngamaplanga ngale
Yes. Khipha ngamaplango.
ngawena
What up, guys? Please to our YouTube channel. To our YouTube channel.
Awambela lamshito afethu. Lamshito afethu angazi. Like angazi like fethu. Over defeat. When the TV came on explain that you.
yaedit awenze
Alela. Stop calling.
Indambo kanje wena
uba
wena.
abefetsana
Like don't touch me because like my woman can sit.
Kahle bo. Mina ngizodla wena 5 ngiphinde ngidle umbhakwaso.
Don't touch me.
Kuleka nje ngawo.
Don't touch me. Family, like how do you all feel?
How do you feel?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Okamanje ngilambile mhlawumbe mase
Hungry,
ngisuthi
bro.
ngizoba happy.
Fucking hungry.
Okamanje ngilambile mhlawumbe mase ngisuthi
Usamkelo, babe sengithi usamkelo usiphela.
vele bona mina.
Ngathi Yezwa ntwana. Yezwa mantshana.
Ngomile.
Asanti operator face.
Until
Okay, thi wena lo.
mina lo what it is WhatsApp igama lami ukhethi wehlengwa.
Eh?
Ngisebenza emsakazweni ngangisakazi. FM I did. Awume mfethu. Emma 2. Masuqede icozela nginjo. Konke engahlangani.
Don't worry. Don't worry. What it is, it's your girl Katie. Okay, Yazin. Oh, Yazin. I have an idea, Yazin. Welcome to the Ngani? That's abayazi idaza abanalo.
Ngizoshaya wena
Seke khona yena.
Hawayi mhlobela bethi yazi boma ngicanga
No
siphumele
Sipho, no
tunjeni
Sipho.
ufuna ukuyothenga. Asazi manje usisengela
Siyahamba bafethu othatha bayeza manje nami ngilinde bona mfethu. Abo mabe ngikwazi la ukuthenga lakhe imali lakhe ingaphelele mfethu. Mama sensetha like angazi like ngifuna ngithenga. Mfethu angala futhi like badimelana laba because mfethu ngiyabatshela futhi like sohamba phela.
15 day.
13 Pro Max le.
Ngiyahamba yona.
Imina lana dog. Hey bo.
Just for pick up mina ngizosho mina amaphoyiseni ukuthi no. I didn't do anything. Kodwa ngasikazi. Kodwa nje ngasikazi. Mina nje ngangishaya ukuthi ngaphethoraza uzongonya. Awazi. Awazi oh. Miss. Ah!
What's ngala mantshana? What's ngala boy? Wow. Ah, laba phezu because usinyanyusa. Phezu. Landed baby. Bafethu, we just landed. Phakathi inside. We had to operate in Ian. Langzol, how are you feeling? Like you slept so far. Yes. Okay. Ngiyakuzwa. Hey guys, Mfethu Chris namhlanje bafethu. Ntwana. Big Cream member what's going on for lights. How are you feeling, Ntwana? Like so fun, yan. Aha. That's on then. Yo. Aha. Ushanami. Ingasekhaya la nto nami like I'm nje.
Yeah, December time is 7th.
Hey guys, Chrisinya. So zama like adjust how are we operating? What? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ngala phaya.
Yeah.
What? I say. Look fun. Like 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, 8 out of 10. Yeah.
Okay,
You can do better.
okay.
Uyman, what? Awuqondile ntwana. Aha. Sure boy.
Go wild.
Okay ntwana, so since like fethu ngipusha like the content fethu map like amazi ntwana like onganginika wona sekukhabela ntwana yenza kanje ntwana.
For me, yabo indlela ocabanga ngayo.
Sure boy.
My wish for you is good. Your content to go wild.
Sure.
And ukwazi ukusebenza nabantu abakhulu kakhulu.
Sure boy.
Until ufike le level leyo ukade ucabanga ususo okay ngoba ngiqale content nayi milestone ngifuna ukureach.
Yes.
That's it for me, but internationally, yes, that's possible.
Yeah.
If you work
Cause nani like wafools stars.
Yeah,
Wafools ntwana.
kusetshenziswe lapha.
Ah, ntwana like Ntatha naye dog collab.
Scott Mapuma,
Aha, izwanje
PC,
face, izwanje.
Zinxumalo, ebesisetshenziswe ebese isebenzile thina.
Laba bethu abantu abakhulu laba like kwi-industry yangithola. Yeah, bafethu. Kodwa manje. Man, baphuza. Guys, operating yangithola.
Yeah, basically
Separating beach ntwana la.
Brighton Beach.
Yeah, Brighton Beach. If ufuna like ukuza like nemama lakho ntwana to chill. Nansi like restaurants. Yes, Lords.
Lord and Legend.
Yes.
Lord and Legend.
Hey, yarola le ntwana fethu. Thina bese like so like sithi Lords. Into next to Lord and Legends.
Ayihleke le ndawo yasifethu ngathi semdluli.
Usho nje?
Indawo angasekhaya kanje.
Ikanje?
Angasekhaya is occupied by ama buildings.
Sure.
And indawo yabona ziningi. Ayinaso space esinayo.
Sure ntwana.
Kuhle la kushaya umoya.
Yeah, boy.
This is like a nice place, full view. And this is Hawaii, island.
Sure. Like alijwayelekile like kunalawa ase South Beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Different. The crowd ikhona namhlanje.
Sure, yeah. Kufanele phela. Yabo. So kufanele ntwana. Usho ntwana nakamanzi. Thank you, like see? Correct.
I think I'm American. They think I'm American, come on. Sorry, mo, Chris.
Abantu bathini ntwana?
They think I'm American. Ngumzulu mina.
Umzulu phaqa.
Phaqa.
Ah, why uyaphi phaqa? Phaqa dog ish.
Phaqa.
No. Musa ungiraba dog phaqa.
Mzulu Phaqa.
Awuthi isinkwa ena ishika miqinile dog iliphi njengakunika lona mfethu. Thana kanjena ubaba uthana kanjena. Ngifuna labo ogqina.
Sinkwa Phaqa. Sinkwa ubaba. Baba what?
Okay, ubaba wami. Abo bengisengilingisela.
Baba.
Thana kanjena esukangisazi dog.
What's in? Like say
yabona
huh?
ngizofana like lama edits la.
Hey.
Shaya swethu.
Angishayile now. Sosi. Walking.
Oh.
Bizo ngani lena? It's not. Ngijwayele ibhano sengithi I. Yo. Ngese mfethu. Bizo ngani?
Futhi ngiyisizla ukuthi i-passage.
Ngeke kusho passage. Kusa pavement.
Yes, pavement.
Lakha. Currently some pedestrians.
Aha.
Yo, bese quality camera yaza clean.
Usho nje?
Fuck.
No, ukuthi phela nawe phela like you look stunning. Usho nje? I'm telling you. And so,
Yeah.
so please like tell them like to subscribe, Joanna. Since like you are new in my channel.
Yeah. So guys, this is the new user. With Mkabela. So I'd like you guys to subscribe to the channel,
Please.
follow and stay in
Subscribe.
touch with my guys. Subscribe, please.
Comment,
Content
share,
because of our content. We're gonna do some
exclusive
great
content.
I don't know. Yeah, man's very Mkabela. The cabs out.
Anna, this is Mkabrizi's family.
Oh,
Tata kanjena 1 2 3. Hello Mkabrizi's family. Okay, 1 2 3 go.
Hello, Caprice's family.
Yes.
Wonder.
Hey guys, come on. Hey guys. Okay, but it's like so kanjena 1 2 3 go. Hello Mkabrizi's family. Like you know like like for my people.
Oh, so we have to have Capri.
1 2 3 go. Hey Mkabrizi's family. Okay, because I 1 2 3 go. Hello Mkabrizi's family. Hey Bafethu. I got. I have I got. Yes. Okay, Bafethu. Into yabo uzobona lana. Please follow Yoki here. Follow Amahle here. Chris, game over. Thank God. Let's go. How are you feeling first? Like kunjani? Hey, shit.
I'm not you as yes. I'm not you.
Oh, like you wanna active yourself. Yep. Actually, like it's your first time like on my channel, yes. But if it's my channel, like be subscribe and like let's go keep it too. Mina first like ngakwazi nini like ngathonani
20 rest in.
Yes. Kuningi engingakusho but ke yoki camera shy. Drama queen in here. I'm telling you, you're feeling me. A bit of a water. There's a bottle of water. Ooh, competition, yeah. Who's doing like the one, man? Huh? Open, like, let him go.
I don't know how to sound British.
Are you talking?
You don't.
Are you trying?
Try, I sound British.
Yeah, try to sound British.
What you saying, man?
Huh?
I don't actually understand British. No, sorry.
For me.
Not for me.
Oh shit! What? But it's ngisele talking.
Never know. Mina nambu makhe.
I'm ungishitshele manje wena inkinga yakho. Hawu. Ha, kiyoke kanti nawu khona kule nto le. Guys. Umuntu sele ne? Hayi bafethu it's okay.
Mina sivele ku channel yakho. Sesi okay. Okwamanje guys ngisapholiwe.
Okay.
Sazoba.
That's it. My boy. How are you feeling?
Bukuza andile lesi bafethu andile lo. Yena yedwa.
I need my phone. Guys, I need my phone. Iman, guys, yes, I'm gonna stay.
Phela musakutshela senilambile nje. Hawu. Chicken. Some kello.
Awe ma, samkelo boy.
Ubani ngibizelani?
Hawa, siphuma umngane.
Ngiyenza nje.
Samkelo boy. Yo, mancha, safe. There will be drama. Look at this.
What it is, what's up? I go by the name of Kutu and saying, oh, mother, oh, zero, and something that's a good thing to be here.
What up, it's your boy.
Sanda.
Telepon yakho.
Yes, I did.
Kube khona umantshana lapha ngabe kusakuyinkinga. Andile uyakhuphuka buka. Kade qalile ukukhuphuka. Buka. Sine inyama mina.
Uyajika kanjani manje ngabe kunesele location?
A few moments later.
This is crazy. Ubumnandi bunga angisho sasihlale nje ekhaya. But I'm just
Ayakenzeki lesizilela.
ngempela akakenzeki.
Imani bafethu.
Amanzi akakamanzi. Ama.
Yogin ama.
Quantum nje manje lamaphoyisa. Yabona nje umbobo. Oh, buka quantum manje.
Hlaleni phansi. Opportunity engiyithola ngibona.
Bamba.
Because mina ucheck kufuneka leyo nto.
Hey, khuleka uzocheck.
So abanye abantu like mina mengiposta manje sengifisa ukuzwana naye. Manje ngiyabona it's okay. If mina mfethu ngiye like opportunity mina mfethu abantu abaningi they abayifunayo kodwa mina ngisebenzise into. That's why I'm getting
Which is lama
That's why. Mkaprizi's family. How are you, my family? Ngiyamthanda bafethu zwana. Mkhabela lona, Mkaprizi, the most expensive one. Ngiyamthanda. Come here, gents. Muzona ukupophela ngaphandle, come.
Eyo nika, lalela mfethu. Mfethu umkhabela, mkhabuzile.
And say, hi, Mkaprizi's family. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Mkaprizi's family. Make sure to subscribe, bafethu. Ayikho i-content adobe njengeyami emhlabeni.
So.
Ngabona umshado onamama. Amehlo abafundisi kusasa elikhanya shela phela sasa likangcono awushela phela
Shela phela sazane kangcono. Awu shela phela.
Bafethu, it's a bango ngithola. Bafethu, lalelani. Ngicela bafethu ni subscribe bafethu if you all wanna see.
Valutebe.
Make sure to subscribe kuze nizobona ngicontent.
Nayi London.
Kasi London ke ayiphumuli into
London.
lokuthiwa kanje.
Driver wethu. Yes now.
Ngizonifisa ngisegoli ligala.
Yebo, kunjalo. Mbukeni ukhaphu senjani.
Unasibulala namjina yini? Ikinga lakho.
Awunyakaze London. Isho. Awuma. London madoda.
Weyandiswa.
Hawu nginvezile nje bafadala ngami manje. Hayibo mina bo. Kade lambile lo sisi.
Manje sinje bese ngabe ngimsela ukuthi
Phathe phakela mina ke. Ivideo le. Hayibo khethiwe. Buda ngishone.
Bethu umama wethu bafethu mphathi wethu. Usamkelo. Samkelo. Usiphakela yazi manje.
Ngicela ungiphakela manje ungiphakela.
Buka bethu in.
Okay.
Vele like so bhuti. Hey maphathi ningi bese.
Siyabonga ma.
Oh baba indaba la washashalisa njalo like njalo.
Ubaba yethu uyadlala.
Ubaba yethu ngene ngaka.
Usilevi phela hlukile.
Ngibabo babo. Ngiyakhala. Manje. Iwile inyama yambakhala. Bafethu yazi
Balambile.
Hello. Sidla iPedro. Pedro.
Vula indlela.
Hayi ngisizwe
Spongy. Ngeke phela wenze njalo.